Welcome again to Hindi. Welcome again to Hindi Learning Made Easy Communication Series Part 1, Lesson 1.4. This video is in continuation of Communication Series Lesson 1.3, where we have discussed some phrases to start a conversation. In this video, you will learn simple phrases and you can use them during your conversation. If you have not watched Communication Series Lesson 1.3, I would request you to go and watch that video first. The link for the lesson 1.3 is given in the description box or on the right top corner of your screen. Also, if you haven't seen any of my previous videos on communication series, I have created a communication series playlist for you. You can start watching the videos from the playlist so that you do not miss any lesson or any information. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to continue your conversation by using simple phrases. I would request you to always keep a notebook and a pen ready with you and note down what you learn. Also, repeat the words with me to pronounce them correctly. So let's start. Before learning greetings and phrases, I want you to learn few words which will support you to have a proper conversation. So first word is also or to. In Hindi, it is bhi. Notice it is not B, it is bhi. Ha sound is coming with B. Speak with me. Bhi. Next word is yes. Yes is ha. Again, notice underlined N is showing you that the word to be pronounced using nasal sound, or the sound should go through your nose, passes through your nose. Speak with me. Ha. Ha. Next word is no. No is nahi in Hindi. Nahi. Again, observe that when you speak nahi, the sound should go or pass through your nose. Speak with me. Nahi. Next word is from. In Hindi, it is say. Say. Let us learn some more words to support our conversation. First word is engineer. In Hindi, it is engineer. Notice the pronunciation in Hindi is different. Speak with me. Engineer. Engineer. The second word is doctor. Doctor is same in Hindi. Doctor is doctor. The next word is teacher. Teacher is shikshak in Hindi. Shikshak. We have learned this word in our previous lessons. But you can also say teacher as teacher in Hindi. So you can say either shikshak or teacher. Both are correct. Let us learn some phrases now. Nice to meet you. We have already learned this phrase in our previous lessons. Can you tell me what it is? Yes. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Speak with me. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Try to remember the phrase as it is. Don't try to translate it. When someone tells you, nice to meet you, you say, nice to meet you too. Let us learn how we say this in Hindi. मुझे भी आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. भी is coming for too or also. Speak with me. मुझे भी आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. मुझे भी आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Try to remember the phrase as it is. Don't translate it. During the conversation, many times you say yes or no or okay. Let us see how we say these words in Hindi. The first word is yes. We have just learned yes is हाँ. But in conversation, we don't say हाँ. We say जी हाँ. जी हाँ. Ji is used to show some respect towards the person you are talking to. Speak with me. जी हाँ. जी हाँ. The next word we use in our conversation is no. We have learnt no is nahi in Hindi. To say no in our conversation, we say ji nahi. Ji nahi. Speak with me. Ji nahi. Together, ji nahi. जी नहीं. We also say okay many times in our conversation to acknowledge. To say okay in Hindi, we say जी अच्छा. जी अच्छा. Speak with me. जी अच्छा. जी अच्छा. Remember the phrase as it is. Don't bother about translation. So far, we have learned some words, some phrases. Now let us learn some more sentences to have a meaningful conversation. So first sentence is, I am from France. You already know this. We have done this in previous lessons. Can you tell me? Yes. मैं फ्रांस से हूँ. Now how to say you are from France? Can you think? You already know you is आप in Hindi. Yes. आप फ्रांस से हैं. आप फ्रांस से हैं. Now let us learn how to turn the sentence into a question. If the sentence is, you are from France, the question will be, are you from France? Let us see how we do this in Hindi. You are from France is आप फ्रांस से हैं. To make a question in Hindi, it is very easy. You have to just start the sentence with kya. So the question will be, क्या आप फ्रांस से हैं? Please notice the tone should be the question tone. Listen carefully. क्या आप फ्रांस से हैं? Speak with me. क्या आप फ्रांस से हैं? Next sentence we will learn is I am a doctor. This you already know. Can you try? Yes. मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. Now what will be you are a doctor? You are a doctor. Can you guess? Can you think? Yes. आप एक डॉक्टर हैं. आप एक डॉक्टर हैं. Let us see how to convert you are a doctor into a question. In English we say, are you a doctor? Let us see how we do this in Hindi. आप एक डॉक्टर हैं. The question will be, क्या आप एक डॉक्टर हैं? क्या आप एक डॉक्टर हैं? Remember, the tone should be the question tone. Let us now learn how to use these words, phrases, and sentences which we have just learned to have a meaningful conversation. Listen to the dialogue between Irene and Peter, first in English, then in Hindi. Hi.
Hello.
My name is Irene. What is your name?
My name is Peter.
Peter, where are you from?
I am from Australia.
Okay.
Are you from Australia?
Yes, I am from Australia. Peter, what do you do?
I am a doctor. Are you a doctor?
No, I am a teacher.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. See you again. Bye.
Bye.
Let us see how it sounds in Hindi now. Namaste.
Namaskar.
मेरा नाम आइरीन है. आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम पीटर है.
पीटर, आप कहाँ से हैं?
मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया से हूँ.
जी अच्छा.
क्या आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया से हैं?
जी हाँ, मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया से हूँ. पीटर, आप क्या करते हैं?
मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. क्या आप डॉक्टर हैं?
जी नहीं, मैं एक शिक्षक हूँ.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
मुझे भी आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. फिर मिलेंगे. नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
I want you to practice this dialogue and focus on tone and pronunciation of Hindi words. Record your voice and see how you are going. In next lesson, I will teach you some phrases which can be used when you finish or close the conversation. Thank you for learning. See you soon in my next video.